Ever wondered what it's like to dive into the heart-throbbing excitement of the Calgary Stampede? Imagine a 10-day extravaganza that takes over the city of Calgary, transforming it into a lively playground of cowboy hats, boots, and bucking broncos. Known as the greatest outdoor show on Earth, the Calgary Stampede is a celebration of Western Canadian heritage, filled with adrenaline-pumping rodeo competitions. Picture cowboys and cowgirls from across the globe competing in bareback riding, steer wrestling, and bull riding, pushing their limits for the ultimate glory. But that's just the beginning. Envision thundering chuckwagon races that send the dust flying and heart rates soaring. Now mix in an eclectic array of concerts from country to pop that light up the night sky. Add a sprinkle of exhibitions showcasing arts, crafts, and agricultural prowess. Join the thrill in July and experience the Calgary Stampede, a spectacle unlike any other. Imagine soaring to new heights and taking in the panoramic views of Calgary from the towering heights of the Calgary Tower. This iconic landmark is more than just a city symbol. It's a testament to the city's growth and the vibrant energy that pulses through its veins. Ascending to the Calgary Tower's observation deck, you're greeted with a bird's-eye view that's as breathtaking as it is expansive. From this vantage point, Calgary's downtown unfolds like a map, the city's skyscrapers reaching up to touch the sky, their glass facades reflecting the ever-changing weather. Look beyond, and you'll see the city's boundaries blur into the vast Alberta plains. To the west, the jagged peaks of the Rocky Mountains rise majestically, their snow-capped peaks a stark contrast to the city's urban sprawl. For an unforgettable view, ascend to the top of the Calgary Tower and let the city unfold before your eyes. Ever considered immersing yourself in the rich history and vibrant culture of Calgary at the Glenbow Museum? This museum is more than just a building with exhibits. It's a grand tapestry, weaving together the threads of Calgary's past and present in a captivating display of art, history, and culture. As you walk through the halls of the Glenbow, you'll find yourself journeying through time. Indigenous artifacts tell tales of the area's first inhabitants, painting a vivid picture of their lives, their beliefs, and their deep connection with the land. Each piece is a testament to their resilience and creativity, offering a glimpse into a world far removed from our own. But the journey doesn't stop there. The museum also showcases contemporary art, a testament to the city's thriving artistic scene. These modern masterpieces, often thought-provoking and boundary-pushing, create a beautiful contrast to the historical artifacts, showcasing Calgary as a city that values its past but isn't afraid to look towards the future. At the Glenbow Museum, witness the past meeting present and experience the rich tapestry of Calgary's culture. Curious about what life was like in Western Canada during the late 19th and early 20th centuries? Well, you're in for a treat at Heritage Park Historical Village. It's not just a park, but a living history museum nestled in Calgary, offering a unique blend of historical facts and interactive experiences. Imagine strolling through the streets lined with well-preserved buildings, each one holding its own story from a bygone era. From an old schoolhouse to a bustling blacksmith shop, every nook and corner is designed to transport you back in time. But what makes Heritage Park truly special are the costumed interpreters. They breathe life into the past, sharing tales of yesteryears and answering your burning questions. They're not just guides, but storytellers, adding a touch of authenticity to your time travel. And let's not forget the interactive exhibits. They're designed to engage, educate, and entertain. From steam train rides to vintage car exhibits, there's something for everyone. Step into Heritage Park and step back in time, into a world that tells the tale of Western Canada's past. Ever dreamt of coming face-to-face with over 1,000 animals from around the world at the Calgary Zoo? Well, here's your chance. The Calgary Zoo is a haven for wildlife enthusiasts, boasting an impressive array of species from every corner of our planet. One of its most popular exhibits is the Canadian Wilds, where you can encounter animals native to Canada, like the majestic grizzly bear or the elusive lynx. But it doesn't stop there. Dive into the penguin plunge and meet charming penguins in their icy habitat. It's a delightful sight that will make your heart flutter. And for those with a penchant for the prehistoric park is a must-visit. Walk amongst life-size dinosaurs and imagine a world where these colossal creatures roamed free. So, ready to meet your wild side? Embark on a wild adventure at the Calgary Zoo, where the world's diverse wildlife awaits you. Ready to venture beyond Calgary's city limits and into the great outdoors? First stop, Banff Sunshine Village. Nestled within the verdant expanse of Banff National Park, this skiing paradise offers stunning views of the Canadian Rockies. But it's not just about the views. With a variety of terrains, it caters to both seasoned skiers and those just starting to find their snow legs. Continuing our journey, we arrive at Lake Louise Ski Resort. As one of North America's largest ski areas, it's a trove of exhilarating slopes. And let's not forget the breathtaking views of Lake Louise itself, a sight that will make even the most thrilling ski run feel like a serene glide. Next, we find ourselves at Nakiska Ski Resort in Kananaskis Country. This family-friendly spot is known for its well-groomed slopes and Olympic heritage. Whether you are a lifelong snowboarder or a newbie skier, Nakiska promises a fun-filled day on the snow. As the sun starts to set, we make our way to Mount Norquay. With its challenging terrain, it's test for even the most experienced skiers. But the real cherry on top is the night skiing. As the stars come out, the mountain transforms, offering a unique winter experience unlike any other. Finally, after all the adrenaline, it's time for some well-deserved relaxation at the Kananaskis Nordic Spa. Tucked away the picturesque Kananaskis Country, it's a sanctuary of tranquility. With hot pools, saunas, and relaxation areas, it's the perfect place to unwind and soak in the stunning mountain scenery. Beyond Calgary's city limits, a world of outdoor adventure awaits, offering breathtaking views, exhilarating activities, and tranquil retreats. So, whether you're a thrill seeker, a snow enthusiast, or someone simply looking for a serene escape, the areas surrounding Calgary promise an unforgettable journey into the heart of Canada's breathtaking outdoors. Ready to embark on this journey with us? Like and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content, and to be a part of this adventurous community. Let's explore the unexplored together! Intrigued by the diversity and charm of Calgary and its surrounding attractions? Calgary is not your average city. It's a vibrant fusion of cultures, history, and breathtaking landscapes. At its heart, the city pulses with a contagious energy that spills into the Calgary Stampede, the city's most exhilarating event, where rodeo competitions, concerts, and exhibitions create a spectacle you won't forget. But the city's charm doesn't end there. The Calgary Tower stands tall as a testament to the city's architectural prowess, offering panoramic views of the city's skyline and beyond. It's a sight that will leave you breathless. Dive into Calgary's rich history and culture at the Glenbow Museum, a treasure trove of art, history, and culture. From indigenous artifacts to contemporary art, the museum offers a unique glimpse into Calgary's past and present. Step back in time at the Heritage Park Historical Village, where you can experience life in Western Canada during the late 19th and early 20th centuries. It's a journey through time that's both educational and fascinating. The Calgary Zoo is a haven for animal lovers, with over 1,000 animals from around the world. From the Canadian Wilds exhibit to the Penguin Plunge and Prehistoric Park, it's a wildlife adventure that's second to none. Craving outdoor recreation? Prince's Island Park is your urban oasis, offering walking and biking trails, picnic areas, and scenic views of the Bow River. And for the shopaholics and foodies, Stephen Avenue Walk provides a vibrant atmosphere lined with shops, restaurants, galleries, and historic buildings. Beyond Calgary, the adventure continues with the stunning landscapes of Banff Sunshine Village, Lake Louise Ski Resort, Nakiska Ski Resort, and Mount Norquay. Each offers unique winter sports experiences that will make your heart race. And after all the excitement, the Kananaskis Nordic Spa is the perfect place to relax and rejuvenate, surrounded by stunning mountain scenery. From its vibrant city center to the stunning landscapes beyond, Calgary offers a world of experiences waiting to be discovered. So when are you planning your visit?